I'm looking out here again. See if there's any of them pink. I got that too wide. I hear one, but I don't see it. I'm gonna widen. I hear a bird, but I don't see. I hear him, I hear him, but I don't see him. Where are you, birds? See them. Well, is there any out there? I hear him, but I don't see him. I hear him. There's a squirrel. At least I got a squirrel. I hope the squirrel was on here. I hope I got the squirrel on here. It was right up there. Come out here to see if there's any little purple flowers yet. Yep. There they are. Little purple flowers. And them wild onions. Flowers. I like the little purple flowers. I'm not here for birds, not the flowers. I hear him, but I don't see him. I hear him, but I don't see. Oh, a darn ladybug flew on me. I'm out here, so I hear him, but I do not see him. I need to get my bird feeder. Where's that one right there? Or am I seeing things? I can't tell. That ain't no bird. I don't think it is. I can't tell. I'm out here. Darn this. I'm just looking. Looking. Like there's more squirrels. I'm gonna fall yet if I ain't careful out here. I have nobody to pick me up. Call Mom, but she couldn't come and get me. She lives in Melbourne. I hear them, but I don't see any. I hate to widen this more. Maybe I can see better if I widen it all the way. I just see him. I hear him, but I don't see him. I know you guys are gonna get tired of this video too. Well, I'm still looking, but I don't see none. I hope I got that squirrel on here. Well, at least you'll get a squirrel instead of the birds. Well, if y'all like this, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.